Hello everyone, and welcome to my reaction of My Hero Academia Season 2, or no, Season 2, Season 4, Episode 2. I think it's called Overhaul. I'm excited. This last week was just kind of a recap episode. We got to meet that one guy, I don't remember his name, the journalist dude with the cool camera quirk. That's really cool. I'm excited to see where this goes. This will be technically the first actual episode progressing the story. So let's see what happens. And don't forget, if you want to see the full reaction of this episode, click the thing in the top right corner or in the description, and that will take you to my full-length reaction. And yeah, so let's get started. Yeah. Aha! So excited. Work studies? I love Gran Torino. Didn't he lose his teacher's license? No. Oh. That might be cool, but what was with the sound? That was very ominous. Ooh! Twice and oh, that's Overhaul? Shigaraki. Ooh, I like his coat. Yakuza? I love the music right now. Protected species? It's so good. They could show that every episode and I'd still be happy with it. I love the villain theme music too. Dude, Moonfish is creepy. Interesting power, but weird. I don't think Shigaraki is gonna go for that. No. But what does this guy do? Ah! What? Jeez. No, dang. What is that? I think this is the first, like, life or death battle that we've seen in this show. Jeez. Jeez, what is his quirk then? How does it work exactly? Jeez. Why not? Is he playing with that guy's tail? That's understandable. I love present Mike. I wonder why. Wait, is that gonna be the work study? Oh! Oh, young Midoriya. Yeah. He doesn't just want to be All Might anymore. He was supposed to be the original successor. What? Yeah, they found it. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that was great. So, this episode was amazing. We got introduced to Overhaul. How does his quirk work? From the looks of it, it seems like he boils their blood until it pops. That is insane. If that is his quirk. There were those little trank dart looking things. I don't know if that's what it was, or if that's what caused Compress to not be able to use his power. And was that someone else's quirk, or was that some kind of technology that someone made? Some kind of like tranquilizer serum, but for quirks. That's interesting. So they can basically counteract Eraserhead. That's scary. And jeez. I feel like that's the first, like, main character death that we've had. And then Compress lost his arm. Jeez, that's insane. But that first half of the episode, dark, very dark and gruesome and insane. And then the second half was cheery, fun, and very much about humor. I was not expecting that from Sir Night Eye to hold humor in such high regards. That was great. This was a great episode. I am really excited for the next episode. I loved this. I didn't quite get exactly all of it. I need to go back and rewatch that part, but he's the heir to the Yakuza, or that specific family, I think, is what they were saying. So, is his group Yakuza? Or is that like a League of Villains type group that he brought in to control? I don't know. I'm really interested to see where that goes. This is crazy. This is crazy. Thank you everyone for watching. I am also going to be doing a reaction to Sword Art Online, the first episode of that. If you want to check that out, the link will be somewhere, and that video should be up tomorrow, so the link will be up when that video goes up. We'll see all of you guys next time. Thank you for watching.